Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Telegram account. Telegram is a messaging app that has become extremely popular of late. It was launched in 2013 and has gained over 500 million active users since then. But there have been issues with it that are making its users switch to other messaging apps. If you want to delete your Telegram account, watch this video till the end. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app. Go to the settings. Tap on Privacy and Security. Select If Away For option. From the drop-down, select Delete Account Now. Now scroll down and select Delete My Account. After that, click on Continue option. Again, click on Continue option. Now you'll also have to enter your phone number to delete your account. After you have entered your phone number, click on Continue. And finally, click on Delete My Account. And hence your account has been deleted. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.